Today we're making a drink. It's got egg white, it's got rum, it's got maraschino. How can you go wrong?
Exactly.
Wait, he's going to get a lot louder later on. Welcome to Combat Cocktails, Dan and Ian. Nope.
He's in the background.
Myself. Derrick.
He's going to come. He's coming.
Ian's will be in the next one, which is actually going to be the first one. We're doing this Tarantino style. This recipe is called the Casablanca. This is an Instagram from you.
That's from me.
Right? From somebody on Instagram named Served by Soberon, who's in Belgium.
Did I pick this one? I did.
Yes, you did. And it's not there's other Casablancas out there. Stephan Foisy, no, not Stephan Foisy. Somebody sent me one. I think it was John Spikes, but it didn't have any of these ingredients in it. The ingredients for this are going to be 1.5 ounces of light rum, 1/2 ounce of triple sec, 1/2 ounce of maraschino liqueur, 1/2 ounce of lime juice, and a bar spoon of rich simple syrup. Hey, there's a dog upstairs. You don't have any.
It might be mine. Maybe not.
Might be. Let's see. Yeah, this is good.
Is that nice?
And an egg white. This is gonna be a dry.
An egg white.
So we're gonna have, and of course that means Dan selected a drink, the next drink in the series, so that Ian could wake up because he fell asleep in his chair and he just got here.
Exactly.
And the drink that you have to make will be probably the most complicated of the night because it's got shaken egg white stuff. But it's okay because you submitted it.
That's true. It's true.
You should pay the penalty.
I wanted to give Ian a break.
Yeah. He hasn't started yet.
Yeah.
So
I'm already giving him a break.
He is over there, right?
Yeah, I don't want to rush him.
Yeah, I don't want to. His eyes are open. He's getting there. Our executive producer, Stephan Foisy, spelled wrong on my thing.
Bar spoon? We'll just do it down.
I have bar spoons. You can go to patreon.com/CMC if you want to become a patron, like the dwindling number that I have. That's happening in there. I don't know why. Either people just don't care anymore. People aren't using Patreon like they used to. A few people have moved over to the join button where YouTube thing. I don't know. This is gonna be fun. Let's see if you can keep the yolk outside. Oh, you're going so good. So and then you're just gonna throw that in that trash bag. Wow, you put the trash bag really low.
I know. Well, why is it so low?
You put it there.
Ian
normally hangs on like this.
Oh, that's what he does.
Yeah.
We'll see. That's what happens when Ian's not here.
You want these?
I'm here.
Yeah. I'm here.
I'm awake. That's what happens when Ian's not right here.
Right. He has to be right there in order to make this all happen.
Exactly.
Yeah. Oh, you should go and get products like simple syrup. I think I still sell it. Do I sell it? I don't remember.
Yeah. Why not?
Yeah, sure. Go to awesomedrinks.com. You can use coupon code SPRING2022. Save 20% until May 31st, 2022. There's a lot of numbers in there.
There's a lot of numbers in there.
I don't know. I didn't go Spring 20 because I've used it before, and I think I used it in the year 2000. Mm-hmm. But it also works for the 20% off thing, so it's kind of like...
That's true.
It's good that way, but didn't work out. Oh, well. If you've watched our video, my video that I put out last week, I talked about different liqueurs you can use in your cocktails. This was one of them. I said you need to buy it. If you followed my instructions,
you've already bought it.
You can make the drink too.
You've already bought it, right?
Because you probably have a rum. We use this over here. This is a Plantation 3-star. I did a video this week about 5 rums that I think you should buy. I use Bacardi, not Plantation 3-star, and I got a few people who were grumbling. Why don't you use Plantation 3-star? It's superior, blah, blah, blah. It's a good product. But I had Plantation Dark in there. And I didn't want 2 plantations within my recommended list. Right.
No, Judy said he was whining. I said, well, maybe he wants to go out.
Oh.
So it's going to take a while for it to clear up. Or is it already clearing?
It's clearing. It's clearing.
Yeah. Is that... How's that? Does that look like a good thumbnail?
Yeah. It's getting there.
See, that's...
All my foam's in here, though.
Oh.
I know.
Well, there's some foam on top.
Oh, he's whining at the basement door. He didn't know you guys are down here.
Yeah, look. It's a thin little line.
It's a thin little line.
I got it. It's fine. You know what, though? It's really perfect.
See? Thank you.
If we just had some bitters to the top, it would look like a smiley face.
It wouldn't have looked that good if Ian was up here, but it's okay.
True. Oh, interesting. That.
It's not really selling it for me. You picked this one out?
Yeah, he did.
I did. It looked good.
So you don't like it?
Does it look like it's supposed to?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not bad. It's like, what do you like?
It's Maraschino Liqueur.
It is.
It's that.
And the triple sec.
I didn't want to say it because I wanted it. Yeah, there's definitely a little bit of that citrus thing, but like this has more Maraschino Liqueur flavor than I'm used to in any drink. And I don't mind that because
not much rum at all. Like you can't.
It calls for a light rum, so some of the characters are going to be lost. It's going to just let all the rest of the stuff happen because plantation is going to be a slight sweet to it, but it has like a flowery flavor to it, like even that same scent. I don't really mind it. I wouldn't sit down and like chug them though.
Like it's not bad, but it's not like
it's just a good. Like, I think this is a good representation of what Maraschino Liqueur tastes like.
Oh, definitely.
Because it's all right up in there. It's balanced, and then there's Maraschino Liqueur. And a lot of
You get the orange, too, though. You get, like, the...
I think I'm just used to the flavor of triple sec. Like, it just tastes like citrus. But the flavor of the different... Just that... I don't even know what it is. Like, flowery, earthy, mineral. I don't know. There's, like, that flavor that... Just as like if you took a swig of luxardo, and all the drinks we usually make with luxardo tend to be hidden like a quarter ounce, so that has a lot.
It's really
more.
pronounced, yeah.
Yeah. So I don't know. I have a feeling that is going to be the better of the two drinks that you submitted.
Really?
Yeah. Because the other one...
It's like, really? Are you sure?
Because I read that you sent me the Instagram post, and it was a person reviewing it, and they're like, it's not memorable. And I remember last month series, we had a couple of those where we're like, it's fine.
Yeah, that's
it's just
true.
Not memorable.
It's not, yeah.
So I'm going to be...
It's really like, you're right, where it's really heavy on the maraschino.
Yeah.
How much maraschino's in there?
Half ounce.
Half ounce.
It's kind of, to me, this from things I think of like either a starter drink, like before you get into cocktails, like for the night. It's more that has that, I don't know, like a pronounced flavor that by the end of the night, it's just probably going to taste like water if you've been doing a lot of drinking.
Yeah, it's not something like you would drink it once and like, it's not memorable.
Yeah.
It's pretty like flat.
Whatever. I like it. Let's do it. I'll drink another.
It's not bad. I mean, I drank it.
I probably wouldn't put them in I wouldn't put it in like a Collins glass because like we do with the division bills.
Oh yeah, no.
We're like build the big ass ones. We're like, I don't want to make small little drinks.
Maybe
like
if you put bitters on top, it'd probably be better.
Well, it look cool.
Yeah.
So make it if you have maraschino, which you should have, and you should have light rum because everybody on the planet has light rum. And then
it's an easy drink though. Like it's super approachable.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
My only caveat is I don't know. Like I like that stuff, but if you've not had it a lot, I'm curious as to if it's too much of the maraschino flavor.
I think if you have someone that like wants like a sweet, not like a sweet drink, but like
it's sweeter, yeah.
Doesn't want like an alcohol forward.
It's sweeter than a daiquiri.
Yeah. It's all right.
So there you go. 3. It's
all right.
3. A 3 out of 5.
Yeah, maybe a 2.5.
It's a 2.5 out of 5. Well, whatever. Sidebar, more videos that I promise will be even more exciting because I don't know, I can put anything I want there.
Exactly. Well, you want to watch it.
Right. And down below, the Awesome Drinks Bartender Starter Kit and links in the description for all the other cool stuff. That's it. I think.
Because we're teaching you how to drink.
Yeah. The first one, I get confused.